Hello, wonderful people. Good evening. With respect to the video I promised you on how to use Canva to design in forever, how to use Canva to sell, how to use Canva to design anything. The first thing you do, you go to your browser. So the second thing, after you open your browser, you go to www.canva.com. Canva, Canva.com. So once you go to canva.com, it's going to show you something like for people that were not part of the training. If you go to the canva.com, it's going to show you something like this you are seeing on the screen right now. It's going to show you something like this. It will ask you to actually log in or sign up. If you are new to Canva and you want to sign up, all you just need to do is you can continue with your email. For example, if I click email right now, here is my email, and the moment you input it, it will ask you to input your desired password. So once you enter your desired password, the next thing is it will send an email to inside your the email address you put. It is called activation email. It will send it there. You will go there, you now check the email, you click on the activation. So that means you've activated your Canva. So once you activate it and you now come back, you log in, this is what you are going to see as you are seeing from the screen right now. So to your left, you will see home, template, project, brand, content, discover, application, smart, create a team. At the top here, you will see design spot. You can use it to design a logo maker, flyer, banner, post maker, resume, invitation maker. All this you can actually design. When you go to business, you can use it to create content. You can use it to invite your team template, improve collaboration, so many things. If you go under education, you can use it to teach, teacher and school, student, free teaching. You can use it under the plan and prices. You have the free version, which all of you are using right now. You have the pro version, which is this, and you have the team version under this as well. If it is meant for your team, you can do this. So, and under the learn, you can use it to learn how to blog, design school, event, and so on. So the one that really concerns us is we are going to be using it to design. We can use to design our banner to sell our product. So what you are going to do is under the project, whatever thing you create is going to be stored under project. And this template is only showing that you can use so many templates. So for your design, if you want to create anything, you come to the design at the top here. When you come to the design at the top here, you can see my cursor. You click on this design. Once you click on the design, it's going to show you, is it a whiteboard design, Instagram post, Instagram story, presentation, A4 design, infographic, your story. So always, if I thought you want to run advert, you can use Facebook post. If it is a Facebook advert, you can use this particular one. The pixel on Facebook is this. If it is Instagram, which is square, you can use this. So it all depends on what you want to do. You can even use it for presentation. Let's assume I want to use it for Instagram post. You can click on this. So once you click on that, it's going to bring you the template and a plain window where you can start your design. You can see this is a plain window. Where you can start your design. You can use it to sell products. You can use, for example, if I thought I want to use this plain, here are the templates you can use. You can use this, 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 you can use this. You can scroll down. If I thought you want to, for example, I can use this one to even invite people on digital marketing. So I can use a plane. Somebody was asking me, can I use a plane? Let's assume you don't want to use everything here. You can use a plane here. How do you use a plane? For example, here is a plane stuff. You must have all your product information, your product images. Let's assume that I want to sell hypertension stuff, hypertension product. The first thing you do is quickly go to your Google. Here is my Google search. I have opened another tab. Under my Google, I can just type hypertension. Hypertension. I can just put black so that you can put black people that are suffering from hypertension. You click enter. So when you click enter, you click image. Once you click image, you can see a lot of images with hypertension here. So I can decide to use any of this image. So I can use this one that doesn't have any face, both the giver and the taker. You know, this one. So all you need to do is to right click on it and click save. Once you click save, so you can save it on your desktop. Once you save it on your desktop, you can go to your Canva. And if at all you don't know how to actually add your product, I have already told you how you can search for product online. You can, if I want to search for Arctic Sea, for example, I can just type Forever Arctic Sea Omega. Once you type it and you click enter, you will see it. Here is the picture of Arctic Sea Omega. You can see it. You can click on this and you can actually save this. You can click on this and I can right click on it and save image. Once I save the image, you can save it with whatever you want to save it with. I can click on this. You can save as many images as possible. So once you save any image, just save your image. You can search for garlic thyme. You know, garlic thyme, for example, garlic thyme, Forever garlic thyme. So once you do that, you click enter, automatically you will see garlic thyme. Don't forget, we have the old garlic thyme image and we have the new one. So here is the new one. I can actually click on this and this one is more clearer. This is a new one, and but this one is having a logo on it, so it's better you actually use this one. I can right click on it, save image as, you save it on the desktop. So that is how to save. So you go back to what we are doing to save time. Here is the Canva. So now I want to bring in 3 images that I want to sell. And again, do you know that you can search for hypertension? I can just say Forever product, Forever product for hypertension. You know, you can use different product combination for hypertension. You can see the first one it brought here. You can see this is cardio health, aloe vera gel, garlic thyme. You can see this one is aloe vera gel, garlic thyme, and also Arctic Sea. This one is also garlic thyme. So you can use any one. For example, if I click on this one, just make sure that the image you are using is very clear. Like this image, I don't really like it because it is not that clear. So you can scroll down. If I thought you want to use the one that contain maybe you want to use 4-in-1, you can see cardio health, Arctic Sea Omega, aloe vera gel, and garlic thyme. You can use this. If I want to use this one that contained, this one is clear. Right click on it and just click and save image as. So you can save it on the desktop. So if I save it on the desktop, the next thing, go to your Canva design where you are designing. So to your left here, you will see what is called upload. Click on the upload. Once you click on upload, you now click on upload files. Once you click on upload file, it's go and check where you save it. I'm trying to check the one I just saved now. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Here is it here. You click and you click open. It is loading. You can see it. It has already loaded here. After loaded, you click on it. It will come here automatically. So once it come here, you can actually put it at the top here. You can put it on the, depending on the kind of design you want to do. I can put it here. Once I put it here, you remember that image of somebody who is suffering from hypertension. I saved it the other time. I can quickly go and upload that one as well. I can go to my desktop. I uploaded this. hypertension. So I click on this, open, it will come here. It's uploaded. So after it is uploaded, click on it, it will come here as well. I can put this one here beside it. You can see I have put it here beside it. You can do your design anyhow. I can put this one at the top here. I can elongate it like this to full here. So I can put the product I want to sell here. I can even put the product on top here. But if you want to put it on top, you right click and you say send this one to the backward so that the product can be at the top here. You can see I have superimposed at the top here. So you can now say, okay, I can just say, okay, text message. You want to put some text message here. You come here under the text, you click this, the text message, you can just put this, anyone. If I click this one, it will come here. Then you can drag it down to this place. You can just put IBP, IBP. I can put reverse IBP, reverse that IBP, reverse that IBP naturally. So I can decide to just, as you type, you can highlighting it, you can bolding it at the top here, you can change the color to like a red or blue. I have changed the color, I have selected red, and you can put it at the middle. You can drag it to be at the middle here and under the image. You can click outside. You can see reverse that IBP naturally. So the next thing, you can add another text like, okay, in case people want to contact you, you can just put, once you click add subheading, you can drag it down here and just put call /SMS. You put your phone number, 080, this is my phone number, 28623854. So you put your phone number there, and you can just put, after you click enter, free delivery, or you can just say limited stock available, limited stock available. So all this one, you can actually you can reduce the font. If you want to reduce the font, you can click minus, it's reducing it. So I can bolden it as well. I can put it here, under here. I can change the color to blue. I can play under here. I can change this one to blue and click outside. So it is here. Okay. Okay, I want to put that it is NAFDAC approval and we deliver worldwide. You can quickly go on Google here and just under the Google search we are doing here, you can just put NAFDAC. Once you put NAFDAC, you can see a lot of images of NAFDAC. So I can click on this one, and once you click on it, you can right click and just save image as, and then you save on your desktop. So I have put that one. I can even put there is I can say, okay, payment on delivery. In case people want to, I can just type payment on delivery. If I play and I click it here, you can see pay on delivery. It's cash on delivery, pay on delivery. You can choose anyone you need here, any design on pay on delivery. I can say, okay, cash on delivery. So I can just say, okay, I love this one, pay on delivery. I can just right click on it, then save image as. You save it on the desktop as well. All you need to do, go back to your Canva where you are designing, go and upload from your desktop, upload files. Once you get to the files, you can see this is one of the file. Let me see the second one here. Where is that payment on delivery? You can see it here. I select the second one, open. Both of them have been uploaded here. You can see both the Fat-Ruq and pay on delivery, both of them has been updated here. So I can click on this Fat-Ruq. Once you click on it, it has come here. You see, when you go to the angle here, you can minimize it. Once you minimize it, then drag it to the bottom here to complete your design. You can see pay on delivery. I can click on this one. It will just put it at the edge, reduce it, and drag it to the bottom right here as well. Reduce it more and just put it here. Is it not beautiful? So at the end of the day, I have finished my this thing, my design. You go up here. If you want to download it, you click on share, then you click on download. Once you click on download, it is showing you it is going to be downloaded in PGN. If you want it to be downloaded in JPEG, you select JPEG. If it is PDF, if it is video, you select. So you select it, then you just click download. Once you click that, you can see it is downloading here. It is downloading. So once it is downloaded, you can see it has already downloaded here. Let me open it so that you can see it. Look at what we just did. Beautiful. And you have customized it. This is beautiful. You can now use this image to go and promote on Facebook. You know how to promote. I've already taught you that. So that is the training on how to do Canva. You can do this for several products: hypertension, diabetes, infertility. You put the product combination. You have different design. So at the end of the day, you are a guru, and that is how to actually design. I think I have tried. Thank you so much. God bless you. See you next time.